Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have something exciting to unbox and review. It's the Bose Solo 5 TV sound system. If you're tired of lackluster sound from your TV speakers, this sleek soundbar promises to elevate your audio experience. Let's dive right in. As you can see, the packaging is minimalistic and elegant. The Solo 5 comes securely packed, and the first thing you'll notice is its compact size. Here it is, the Bose Solo 5 soundbar. It's only 21.6 inches wide, 3.4 inches deep, and 2.8 inches high, making it perfect for any room setup. Inside the box, you'll find the soundbar, a universal remote control, power cable, and an optical audio cable. Let's look at some features and benefits. Improved TV sound. The Solo 5 dramatically enhances your TV sound quality. Say goodbye to those tiny built-in speakers. It needs only one connection from the speaker to your TV, making setup a breeze. Bluetooth connectivity. Connect your phone or tablet wirelessly via Bluetooth. Stream your favorite playlists, podcasts, or audio books directly to the Solo 5. It's not just a TV speaker, it's also a powerful music system. Dialogue mode. Ever struggle to hear dialogue in movies? The Solo 5 has a special dialogue mode that emphasizes vocals, making conversations crystal clear. True Space technology. So Bose's proprietary True Space technology ensures that audio fills the room even beyond the screen. Whether you're watching a thrilling action movie or quiet drama, you'll feel immersed. Bass control. So adjust the bass to your liking. Want that deep rumble during action scenes? You've got it here with the Bose 5. Versatile placement. Place it in front of your TV, on a shelf, or even wall mount it. The choice is yours. Its sleek design won't disrupt your home decor. Advanced remote. So the included universal remote controls not only the Solo 5, but also your TV and other connected devices. So no more juggling multiple remotes. And there you have it. The Bose Solo 5 TV sound system. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for upgrading your home entertainment setup. If you're ready to take your TV sound to the next level, check out the Solo 5. It's available now at your leading stockists for around 250 Australian dollars. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews and videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.